Hello students, good morning. Welcome again in your science class. I hope all are fit and fine. So student, in the last class we start our chapter number 4, that is a fiber to fabric. In the last class we discussed about history of clothing and what is fiber and what is fabric.
So students, before starting today's class, I want to tell you something. You students, you look around and you will notice that your clothes, bed sheet, pillow covers, towel, curtain, blanket, table cover, shopping bag, even your school bag, these all are fabrics made with different clothing materials. So students, how many types of clothing material? So let's see.
Students, in the slide we see lots of clothing material. So in the last class I told you that cloth made from fabric and fabric made from fibers. So students, how many types of fibers? So let's see. On the basis of the sources, fibers are two types: natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Natural fibers we obtain from plants and animal. For example, cotton we obtain from cotton plant, jute we obtain from jute plant, wool we obtain from fleece of sheep, hair of rabbit and yak, cocoon of silkworm gives us silk. Silk we obtain from silkworm. Now synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber we can call man-made fiber and artificial fiber. Technological invention and chemical treatment make it easier to make artificial fiber. Example, polyester and rayon. Okay students, I hope you must have understood this topic very well. So students, now we more learn about plant fibers.
Students, plant fibers we obtain from plants, like example cotton, jute, hemp and flax. Now we more learn about cotton and jute.
So student, now we learn about cotton. Cotton fibers we obtain from cotton plants, and by ginning of cotton process we get cotton fibers. This process is proceed. Let's see in a slide.
Let's learn about cotton fibers. Cotton fibers we obtain from cotton plants. Cotton plants grows well in black soil, warm climate, and it needs moderate rainfall. Cotton plants grows in India, Punjab, Haryana, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Madhya Pradesh. Okay students? Cotton plants, small middle size woody body plant. They categorize in shrub and bush. During flowering season, cotton plants having yellowish white color flowers. After few days, these flowers change in pink reddish color. Slowly these flowers change in cotton balls. These cotton balls look like a lemon. After maturity, these cotton balls burst and open. Now then when the cotton ball burst and open, these look like a soft fluffy white cotton with covering with seeds. Students, these cotton balls contain 5 lakh cotton fibers. Students, these cotton ball we pick with the hand. Cotton fibers having a seed. Cotton fibers we separated by seed by combing method. This method we can call ginning of cotton. In previous days, पहले के टाइम में cotton balls we picking with hands. Nowadays we have lots of machines for picking and ginning of cotton. So students, now it's work more easier. Students, we learn how we obtain cotton fiber for cotton, ginning of cotton, and now we spinning of cotton. So student, spinning of cotton, these fiber are clean and made. These thread we by spinning method using spinning machines, and with the spinning machines we get yarns. These yarn we convert by weaving and knitting process, we get cotton fabric. Okay students, cotton fibers we have lots of use for clothing, mattress, quilts and pillow covers, bed sheet. Lots of use of cotton fibers.
So students, we learned cotton and cotton fibers. Now we learn jute. Jute fiber we obtain from jute plants. By the retting process we get jute fibers. What is retting and how it is done? How we jute fiber we obtain from jute plant. So student, let us see in the slide.
Student, let us learn about jute fibers. Jute fiber is a long silky strand thread. That's why we can call golden fibers. Jute fibers we obtain from jute plants. Bark of jute plant we cultivated in a rainy season and harvested in flowering stage. Almost 80% of jute we collect from Thailand, Nepal, India, China. In India, jute we obtain from Bihar, West Bengal and Assam. Jute fiber we obtain from jute stems. Jute stems obtain outer skin, that's called ribbon. Hence, the bundles of the jute plant stem we kept in soft running water for few months. After few months, get jute fibers losing from jute stem. Jute fibers we easily separated from jute stem process, and extraction of jute fibers from jute stem we can call retting. So student, this is a retting process. Okay, now we lots of have use for from jute fibers like curtains, chair covering, cross cloths, bag, shopping bags, and lots of use of jute fibers. Okay students,
In the today's class, we more discuss about the types of fiber and more learn about plant fibers like cotton and jute. Students, I hope you must have understood all these topics, and if you have any problems and any doubt, you can ask me. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you students.